There are many things a blind person can do, but have you ever seen a blind farmer? Well, if not, then we'll show you one in action. Here is TVJ's Keon Morgan with this evening's Ray of Hope.
Chop, plow, plant. You name it, Norman Spence does it all. Recently, a Ray of Hope caught up with a blind farmer in Kilmarnock, St. Elizabeth. He has been making waves on social media after a video of him went viral. Mr. Spence has been blind from about 9 years old. His dream was to become a telephone operator, but when that didn't materialize, he decided to follow in his father's footsteps. He has been farming for over 30 years.
When I get up in the morning and I'm feeling energetic, I have that urge to go and get something going, go and plant something. It's a very difficult thing, but there is something that we all are blessed with called mind power. As long as you allow that power to generate right through your system, you can do so many things.
Mr. Spence works from about 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day. He gave us a tour of the farm, showing us the fruits and vegetables of his labor, most of which he cultivates by himself. Currently, Mr. Spence is removing weeds from the soil. But how does he know the weeds are different from the actual crop? This he accredits to his heightened sense of touch.
This is a dashing plant. I would feel the cabbage and I try and my utmost best not to crush them while I am moving.
But farming is just one of Mr. Spence's many tasks. At home, he acts as a caregiver to his 88-year-old mother.
I help to prepare her meal. I go and do her shopping, clean, wash, and sew.
Some of his skills he attributes to his father, who was also blind.
He would climb a breadfruit tree and pick the full breadfruit and leave the young ones. He was exceptionally mobile.
Horace Daly functions as Mr. Spence's pair of eyes, monitoring the field to drive away stray animals and thieves.
I can't be like him. He can't work very well. Sometimes I say, uncle, over that side, black up in the rain, I go come in and hold up in head and say, I was trying not to commit. I say, if you come and catch him and take my plant in Continental, and just come home.
Mr. Spence says his zeal comes from wanting to be independent.
I have told myself that I should never live a life which forced me to be too dependent on my brothers and sister, much less a strange person.
He's encouraging those dabbling their hands in negative deeds to project that same energy to bettering themselves and the country.
Please get rid of that gun, that knife that you continue to use to destroy your brothers. We are great, we are special. You just need to put your mind to it and you will do it.
With a ray of hope, I'm Keon Morgan.